Go to your web browser. Search WhatsApp for PC. Install the WhatsApp desktop app on your Mac or Windows computer from the WhatsApp download page. Open WhatsApp and run the desktop app. You should see a QR code on your computer. Start WhatsApp on your phone. Tap Settings. On iPhone, you'll find Settings at the bottom right of the screen, but on Android tap the three-dot menu at the top right and then choose Settings in the drop-down menu. You should see a linked device. On the QR code screen, get ready to scan. On iPhone, tap Scan at the bottom of the page. On Android, tap the Scan Code tab at the top. Point your phone's camera at the QR code in WhatsApp on your computer. If this is your first time using WhatsApp on the computer, you will see the device login detected pop-up. Tap Continue and then tap Link a device. If you want to stay updated with technology, if you are interested in PC tricks, PC problem solutions, software reviews, Windows-related problems, then please you can subscribe to our channel.